Hello friends, today I am going to share with you information on a very important topic, that is obesity. Obesity is said to be a gift of modern lifestyle. It is a disease of people who have no place for hard work. People become obese due to faulty lifestyle, faulty eating, living and thinking. The most important thing is that people are getting away from Mother Nature. Now, what is obesity? Obesity is the abnormal and excessive accumulation of fat. Now, friends, let us try to understand what is meant by BMI, that is the body mass index. This body mass index, it gives us an idea whether our weight is normal, whether we are overweight or obese. It is a simple calculation which takes into account the weight and the height of a person in order to measure the body size. So just by dividing your weight in kilograms upon your height in meters square, you get your BMI. The normal BMI ranges between 18 to 25. If it is more than 25, that means you are overweight, and if it is more than 30 or 30, you are obese. People who are obese usually complain of breathlessness on slight exertion. They get easily tired, fatigue, they sweat a lot, they perspire a lot. Now, what are the causative factors responsible for obesity? Your diet plays a very important role. If you are consuming a diet which is fatty, oily, which is rich in refined carbs, trans fats, you can increase your risk of obesity. Consumption of alcohol also increases the risk of obesity. Physical inactivity, lack of exercise, lack of hard work, leading a sedentary lifestyle is the second cause. Certain medicines can also increase your risk of obesity. Obesity can be hereditary, genetic. Certain hormonal irregularities such as secretion, irregularity in the secretion of thyroid hormone can lead to obesity. Obesity isn't just a cosmetic concern, it's a medical problem and it has to be treated in time. Otherwise, it will increase the risk of various diseases. We all know obesity is a parking place for various diseases. It can increase the risk of hypertension, atherosclerosis, heart failure, diabetes, stroke, gallbladder disorders, renal failure, menstrual irregularities in women, musculoskeletal disorders, osteoporosis, varicose veins, flat foot, etc. These are the risk factors which are associated with obesity. Now, how can you treat obesity? Obesity can be treated very well with the combined approach of yoga and naturopathy. Yoga is highly beneficial in the treatment of obesity. The various asanas such as Bhujanga Asana, Dhanurasana, Ushtrasana, Paschimottanasana, Mandukasana, Pavan Muktasana, various asanas are very beneficial in controlling your weight, in reducing your fat and overall obesity management. The sun solution, that is a Surya Namaskar, is highly effective. Now friends, let us try to understand what is meant by central obesity, which is one of the leading cause of diabetes in India. Central obesity is excessive deposition of fat over your waistline, on your waist, on your belly, on your abdominal area, thus giving an apple-shaped figure. This central obesity can be controlled, can be treated with the help of asanas such as Dhanurasana, Padhastasana, and Kapalbhati, the pranayama, is very beneficial. Daily practice of Kapalbhati pranayam for 15 to 20 minutes will reduce your belly fat, and it will be a good exercise to your abdominal organs. So you have to practice Kapalbhati daily if you want to reduce this belly fat and that apple-shaped figure. From the naturopathic point of view, steam bath is highly effective. Whole body massage with certain herbal powders is also very effective. Ayurveda advocates certain dietary and lifestyle changes to reduce obesity, your weight. Consumption of plenty of vegetables, green leafy vegetables, fruits in your diet, cereals, dry fruits in your diet, cutting the trans fats from your diet, cut on the refined carbs from your diet, the oily food, the fatty food, cut on alcohol. You should live a stress-free lifestyle. Do not take any sort of stress, which is a number one killer disease, and it's a risk factor for many diseases. And friends, early morning brisk walking for 30 to 45 minutes a day regularly is highly effective. Jogging slowly, that's also helpful. So before I conclude, I would just like to say one thing: eat less and live long. Take care of yourself. Thank you.